Welcome back to the Algebra Solver channel. And again, we have another equation to solve. This time we need to solve for x. In the equation, x minus 25 equals 32. And on the left, we have our objective is to manipulate the equation so that the unknown variable is on one side of the equation while the known values are on the other side of the equation. So in this case, we need to isolate this x. And then here are the rules of the algebraic properties, in case, for your convenience, in case you have forgotten about them. But again, we have assumed that you have had lectures on these topics and that you're just here for more examples and to gain experience in solving problems like these. Remember, a pilot needs to fly in order to know how to fly. You cannot learn how to fly by just sitting on the ground. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay, our objective is to isolate x here. That means we have to eliminate this 25. That's actually a minus 25. And in order for us to do that, if we need to operate something, to do something on the left-hand side of the equation, you must do exactly the same thing on the right-hand side of the equation to maintain the equation or to maintain the balance. After all, that's what an equation is for. It means to say equal on both sides of the equation. All right. Let's do now. Now, the obvious thing for us to do in order to isolate x, we need to remove negative 25 here. The only way to eliminate the 25 is to add 25 to the entire left-hand side of the equation. And having done that, or if we're going to do that, then you also need to add 25 on the right-hand side of the equation here. So the balance is maintained. Now let's actually do the operation now. So x minus 25 plus 25, plus 25 equals 32 plus 25. We added 25 on the left hand side of the equation, then you also add 25 to the right hand side of the equation. And since this is minus 25 plus 25, this will result into a 0, and then this will result into a number 32 plus 5, so that's 57. That's what will happen. So let's simplify it now. So x is now isolated on the left hand side of the equation, equals, because minus 25 plus 25 equals 0, so x equals 32 plus 25. Therefore x equals 57, and that is our answer. If we need to underline it twice, we need to underline it twice. It's up to you. Answer. And we need to check our answer. So let's check. How do we check? By substituting or by using the value of x which you have arrived at, which is 57, back into the original equation. So the original equation is x minus 25 equals 32. So x is 57. You have 57 minus 25 equals 32. Is it equal to 32? So 57 minus 25 is 32 equals 32. Then therefore check. Right, so now 32 equals 32. We have done our checking. So x minus 25 equals 32. The answer is x equals 57. And I hope you enjoyed the experience. See you in our next problem.